Hey guys, Matt Eppers, Grand Design Transcend Product Manager, here today, very excited to introduce to you the newest entrant into the XPLOR segment, our 27DBX. Now before we take a look at the 27DBX, let's talk a little bit about how it's different from some of the other entrants that are currently in the XPLOR lineup, such as the 26BHX. Now this floor plan is a double over double bunk, but it's catered to be just a little bit different and almost a complement to that 26BHX, and that you'll notice it does have two door side entrances, one being into the bathroom. We'll take a look at that. But before we get too far, let's take a look at some other things that'll make the 27DBX different than anything else in the XPLOR lineup. So here door side, the first kind of change that you'll notice on the 27DBX compared to our 26 or anything else really in that XPLOR will be an outside camp kitchen centered right here in the middle of the floor plan under the awning for you, that big awning, and notice a nice fusion light. But you'll still have the camp kitchen here on the outside. This is a standard feature for us, a griddle plus the little dorm fridge on the outside for you. But the big one here that'll be different than anything you've seen in the XPLOR is two entry doors. You have your main down there right behind your pass-through storage, and then also a bathroom entrance here directly into the bathroom of this beautiful 27DBX. That way kids, whoever it may be, don't have to track mud through the unit, but you do have direct access here into your bathroom. So one of the major changes, one of those major differentiators and offering the best of both worlds, if you like the direct view, direct entrance right into the bathroom, that's great for your 27DBX. If you prefer that to be off door side, we still offer the 26. But let's check out one more thing that we'll look at on the back side of the unit that makes this camper a lot different from anything else. Alright, so here on the off-door side rear, the brand new 27DBX, the differentiator, here this big baggage door. Remember, we do have the camp kitchen on the door side, but on your off-door side, you're gonna have some exterior storage that's so big. In the words of Chase Landis, are you serious with this? There's a lot of exterior storage back here. You notice the oversized door, motion sense light, but this fills up the entirety of that kind of under bunk, which will be on the off-door side. We'll get an inside look. So standard camp kitchen, full pass-through storage up front, and then here at the rear on the off-door side, some of the largest exterior storage that we'll see in traditional built travel trailers. Very exciting here on the 27. But even more exciting, there's some stuff on the inside we can go take a look at that'll be different than what you've seen before. Here on the interior, the beautiful 27DBX, the first kind of big difference that you'll notice is our little breakfast hutch that we put here in the middle with your split bedroom entry. Now still full 60x80 residential queen bed back there, but it's nice you have the split, and we added in this extra storage in the form of drawers and cabinet doors down here for you with extra countertop space and lighting, as well as some cabinet overhead with the shelves in there, nice for you. But the biggest difference that we'll see is a lot of manufacturers in a floor plan shape of this will put a TV here, which really has direct view of nothing. For us, we decided to do something a little bit different, and as we move to the rear to the trailer, you'll see where that direct view entertainment is. Here, right across from these theater seats, directly to our right, what do we have? We have the TV, high and perfect viewing position. That's our standard TV prep. You can't option in that TV. But the other thing we've added, and this is a Transcend first in any of our lines, is a standard 35K BTU fireplace for you. That's electric, works off your 110. Give you some nice heat, but a great ambiance as well if you're watching TV. Got the fireplace on. And then right above it, maybe even more importantly, is great countertop space that can double over as a desk with a nice window to the outside there for you. And then also additional pantry space here, a little bit outside of that kitchen. So it can use as a pantry. It can also double as additional storage for the bunks or whatever else we need. But again, another big difference on top of that direct view entertainment would be back here in the bunks, actually adding in storage drawers for both bunks in the form of foldable shirts, shorts, socks, underwear, whatever that may be for our campers that are back here in the bunk, as well as hanging storage for you too. So it's a very open, very spacious floor plan, but with that, you'll find it jam-packed with a lot of storage and even more so functional features that work for you, like that direct view entertainment. And again, our very first, a fireplace here in the Transcend. And then lastly, we talked about it on the outside, but we walk into our bathroom, still very spacious, great size, great storage here for any linens, toilet paper that you may need. Showers right there for you. Sink in the corner is very flow. You can get through. It's very large in here. And then, of course, we got our exterior entry as well. So if we're at the campsite and you want something that's door side entrance for your camper that's a little bit different, but you still want those great and versatile double over double bunks, check out the brand new Transcend XPLOR 27DBX. Standard camp kitchen, largest exterior storage that we've seen, and a great floor plan for you and the family.